A warm welcome to all to another mathematics solution based video class, dear students. Dear students, please share our video to your friends and also drop your suggestions in the comment box. In this video, we are solving a case study problem based on quadratic equation. This question available in the 2024 CBSE sample question paper set 1. Come on children, let's move on to the discussion. Dear students, the question is, a rectangular floor area can be completely tiled with 200 square tiles. If the sides length of each tile is increased by 1 unit, it would be take only 128 tiles to cover the floor. Answer the following questions based on the above information. Assuming the original length of each side be x unit, make a quadratic equation from the above information. Write the corresponding quadratic equation in standard form. Question 3. Find the values of x, the length of side of tiles by factorisation. Question 4. Solve the quadratic equation for x using quadratic formula. This question appeared in the 2024 sample paper test 1. We are moving on the first question solution. Let the original side of the length of each side tile be x unit. We assume that is x unit. Then the condition says that if the tile side length of each tile is increased by 1 unit, that is x plus 1, then it will take only 128 tiles to cover the floor. So the area with increased side length, given that each side increased by 1 unit, using 128 side tiles is equal to 128 into x plus 1 the whole square. So the required equation is 200x square is equal to 128 into x plus 1, because here tell a rectangle for a completely tiled with 200 square tiles. That's equal to, when the side length of each tile is increased by 1 unit, it will take only 128 tiles. So we will equate it. 200x square is equal to 128 into x plus 1 the whole square. This is the required equation asked in the question. So moving on to question number 2, write the corresponding quadratic equation in the standard form. So we will write the quadratic equation in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have the equation 200x square is equal to 128 into x plus 1 the whole square. Expand the equation. So 200x square is equal to 128 into x plus 1 the whole square, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. That is 200x square is equal to 128x square plus 256x plus 1. That is 200x square minus 128x square minus 256x is minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 72x square minus 256x minus 1 is equal to 0. Or we can write 9x square minus 32x minus 16 is equal to 0, which is the quadratic equation in the standard form. Then the question number 3. Find the value of x, the length of the side of the tile by factorisation. So we have the quadratic equation 9x square minus 32x minus 16 is equal to 0. So factorize we can get 9x square minus 36x plus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. Taking 9x common in the first two terms and 4 common in the second two terms. That is 9x into x minus 4 plus 4 into x minus 4. Here x minus 4 is common, so we will take it out. Then x minus 4 into 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. So So x minus 4 is equal to 0 or 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 9 by 4. But the length of a side cannot be negative. So we cannot take the negative value. So the length of the side is 4 unit. Now moving on to question number 4. Solve the quadratic equation for x using quadratic formula. We know that the standard formula for the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Here we have 9x square minus 32x minus 16 is equal to 0. Hence a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 32 and c is equal to minus 16. And also we know that the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus to square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Substituting the above values, we get x is equal to minus 32 plus or minus square root of minus 32 the whole square minus 4 into 9 into minus 16 the whole divided by 2 into 9. That is 32 plus or minus square root of 1024 plus 576 they all divided by 18. That is 32 plus or minus square root of 1600 divided by 18. So square root of 1600 is 40. So that is equal to 32 plus or minus 40 divided by 18. That is 32 plus 40 divided by 18 or 32 minus 40 divided by 18. That's equal to 72 by 18 or minus 8 by 18. That's equal to 4 or minus 4 by 9. Here also the negative value cannot be taken as the length of the side. So we can ignore the negative value, and therefore the value of x is 4 units. That's all, dear children, in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. We are now solving the case study problems. So please study well for the upcoming public examinations. Please share our video to your friends. Thank you once again. Stay tuned.